Hey folks, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I want to show you quickly how to get the information that we need to get in order to measure where you are today before we start training you on LinkedIn so that we have some baseline to work with. First thing, I want to get your LinkedIn public profile URL, and it's right here. If I go over here and click on my picture right here, up comes the URL in the address bar. You can see it's right here. That's mine. So if you click on your picture from the home page of LinkedIn, you'll see your LinkedIn profile URL. I'm going to go back to home. Second thing we need to know is how big is your LinkedIn network. Now, it's over here under My Network. I'm going to click on My Network. And don't worry about your number being different than mine or anybody else's, but here's how many people you're connected with, or in my case, how many people I'm connected with. Right here, there's the number of LinkedIn connections. Third thing we need to get is how many profile views you get. So right here, I went back to home. I clicked on the blue IN or click on the word home, and you can see who's viewed your profile. There'll be a number right there. We need to have that number. The next thing we need to have is what's called your social selling index, or SSI score. And the way you get that is you go to www.linkedin.com/sales/SSI. LinkedIn.com/sales/SSI. And you need to do this from the LinkedIn page because you're already logged into LinkedIn. I'm going to type that URL and hit enter. And again, don't compare you to me or anybody else, but this is my social selling index. And this is the number we're looking for, the one that's in the circle right here, okay? So if you can send me your LinkedIn profile URL, the number of connections you have, the number of profile views you have, and your SSI score, then that will help us, again, measure where you are today before we start training, so we can measure you along the way to see what kind of improvements you are making using LinkedIn as a business tool. Again, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I look forward to helping you.